In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail not receiving emails. If messages aren't showing up, don't worry, there are a few quick checks that usually get things flowing again. And I'll walk you through them step by step in a clear, simple way. First, take a close look at your junk locations. Emails that should land in your inbox can sometimes be mislabeled as spam. Open your spam or junk folder and scan for anything you recognize. If you find a legitimate message there, open it and mark it as not spam so future emails from that sender go to the right place. While you are at it, glance at your trash or any folders you commonly use to sort messages, just in case something was moved by mistake. Next, check your storage space. If your mailbox is full, new emails simply won't arrive. In Yahoo Mail, look for your storage indicator, usually in settings or your account area. If you are close to the limit, delete emails you no longer need, especially those with large attachments, and then empty spam and trash to actually free the space. If you need to keep everything, consider upgrading your storage so messages don't bounce. Then, review your filters. Filters are great for organizing mail, but a misconfigured rule can send new messages to the wrong folder or even delete them. Open Settings, find the Filters section and read each rule carefully. Look for any that move messages automatically to a specific folder or trash based on broad terms. Disable or edit anything that looks suspicious. After adjusting, search all folders for recent messages to confirm nothing is hiding in a custom folder. Give your account a quick refresh by logging out and logging back in. This resets your session and often clears minor syncing hiccups. If you are using the Yahoo Mail app, you can also fully close and reopen the app after signing back in to prompt a clean reload of your mailbox. Finally, test it yourself from a different email account. Send a simple test message to your Yahoo address with a clear subject line. Wait a minute or two and check your inbox. If it doesn't show up, look again in spam or any folders your filters use. If it does arrive, you are back on track. That's it. By checking junk folders, freeing storage, verifying filters, refreshing your session and sending a test, you can quickly pinpoint and fix most delivery issues. Thanks for watching.